Sources of groundwater or sources of water. So before the water is taken to the main treatment unit, that is water treatment plant, before the water is taken here, we have to first collect the water. That is, we have to identify which are the nearest sources of water. Sources of water means where the water is present, that is from where we can take the water. Now once the sources has identified, then it is collected from one of the source and then it is transferred or it is conveyed to the treatment plant. So right now we are discussing about this thing, that is sources of water, and after discussing the sources of water we'll see how it is conveyed or how it is transferred to the water treatment plant, that is called as conveyance of water. That is how the water is transferred from the source to the water treatment plant. Okay, that is what we are using here. We are generally using pipes here. Now coming back to the main topic, that is sources of water. So it is an easy topic, so quickly we'll finish it off. What are the different types? There are two types of sources. First source is the surface source of water, and the second one is subsurface source of water. These are also called as underground source of water. Now in this surface source of water there are few types. So generally from the name it is clear, okay? One is surface and another is subsurface. That means whatever the water is present directly on the surface of ground, so that all will come under this category. So we'll take an example like lakes and ponds, then streams and rivers. So you can see these lakes, rivers, ponds, these are all the water bodies which are present on the surface. That is water is available on the surface. And the next is storage reservoir, and the last one is oceans. Okay, so these are the surface sources of water. Then in subsurface source of water, the water will be present below the ground surface. Okay, so the example is infiltration galleries, then infiltration wells, then springs, then our normal wells and tube wells. Okay, so these are the surface source of water and these are the subsurface sources of water. Now in the next video we will see in detail some more information about the surface source of water.